Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the equation of plane passing through the line of intersection of planes this and this. Now, does this statement reminds you of anything? The equation of plane passing through intersection of planes. Exactly. Whenever you will read this statement, equation of plane passing through intersection of planes, it is family of planes. Equation of line passing through intersection of lines, family of lines. Equation of circle passing through intersection of circles is family of circles. Okay, so whenever you will read this statement, equation of plane passing through intersection of planes, it is family of planes. Plane 1 plus lambda plane 2 equals to 0. Now you need to update this equation. So let's club everything. So plane 1 is this, plane 2 is this. Now let's write down everything together. So x will contain 1 plus lambda x, y will contain 2 minus lambda y, z will contain 3 plus lambda z, constant will contain minus 2 minus 3 lambda. Please be careful while writing this thing. This is correct. So this is your required equation of plane. If you got exact value of lambda, you got your required plane. For finding value of lambda, they are saying that your equation of plane is at a distance of this unit from this point. So distance they have already given. So find out the distance. So distance means what? Point satisfaction upon root under a square plus b square plus c square. So use this idea over there. So substitute the point this on the plane. So we will be having substitute 3 in place of x. So 3 plus 3 lambda. Substitute 1 in place of y. So 2 minus lambda. Substitute minus 1 in place of z. So it is minus 3 minus lambda. And then write down your constant component minus 2 minus 3 lambda. So this is your point satisfaction upon root under a square plus b square plus c square. So 1 plus lambda square, 2 minus lambda square, 3 plus lambda square. So this is the thing. So according to us distance is this, but according to them distance is 2 by root 3. I put mod because the distance will be in positive. If this value will give negative answer, still distance will be positive only. Okay, now try to now do you have any idea by which you can get rid of this mod as well as root? Yes, squaring both side. So do the squaring both side. So before doing square, let's simplify things. So you got 3 gone. You got 3 lambda, 3 lambda, 3 lambda gone. You got 2 and minus 2 gone, and it's okay. So we have minus 2 lambda on the numerator. So let's do the squaring both side. So minus 2 lambda will become 4 lambda square. Okay, now let's do the denominator square. So it is a square plus b square plus 2 lambda, a square plus b square minus 2 lambda, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and then 4 by 3. Okay, so this is the idea. Now you can simplify things. So this thing gone. We have now do the cross multiplication thing. So we have 3 lambda square on the left hand side and everything on the right hand side. Lambda square, lambda square, lambda square, 3 lambda square. Then 2 lambda, 6 lambda is 8 lambda, 8 lambda minus 4 lambda is 4 lambda. Then we have constant 1, 4, 5, 5 and 9 is 14. Done. This thing gone. So the value of lambda becomes minus of 7 by 2. So this is your lambda. Okay. Now, if this is your lambda, you guys can update your equation of plane. So substitute value of lambda in the plane. So it is 1 minus 7 by 2. So it is minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 x. Then 2 plus 7 by 2. So it is 11 by 2y. Then it is 3 minus 7 by 2. So it is minus 1 by 2 z. Then it is minus 2 plus 21 by 2. So it is 17. So it is 17 by 2. Okay. So this is your equation. Now what you have to do to write down this thing in standard form, just multiply both side by 2 so that the denominator part will be simplified, because everything is carrying 2 2 2 2 2. And also multiply by minus 2. So this thing will become what? 5x minus 11y plus z minus 17 equals to 0. So this is your equation of plane. I hope the idea is clear. And anytime if you find out this statement that you need to write down equation of plane passing through intersection of planes, you can remind that this question belongs to the family of planes category. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.